Hello, welcome. We are going to make a paper matchbox for today's craft. The first thing that you want to do is you're going to cut along all of the solid lines here, 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 and here. So here we go. Okay, once you have the pieces cut out, you're going to set these strips aside. You don't need them now. You can incorporate them into your completed project, but for now you don't need them. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to fold all of these dotted lines. So you're going to, anywhere you see a dotted line, you're going to fold it. Okay, all of the dotted lines have been folded. What I did is I folded them so that you can see where the line is. But for the project, you're gonna wanna fold it so the dotted lines aren't showing. So I'm going to flatten everything out and I'm just going to refold the things so that you can't see them. So for example, this is folded backwards like that, but now I'm going to fold it the other way so that when you see the completed piece, those lines won't show. Okay, so now you will have sort of this tube that you've made that's a rectangular shape. I forgot my glue, so I can't glue it in this video, but you're going to apply glue here, and then you're going to put this over and hold it until it dries. You can use your fingers to kind of rub it so it really secures, stays secured, and then you're just gonna hold it until it dries, or you can hope it sticks and set it aside, but it needs to dry. For the next one, for the box part, you're going to fold these two short pieces inward like that. Same with this, you're gonna fold it in like that, so that those lines aren't showing. And then you're going to fold the long edges towards the center so that you have, those are coming in. Now these will kind of come out naturally. You want this to form a box so that these flaps turn into the ends of the box. Oops, ends of the box like that. And so they're just kind of be hanging out there like that. And you're going to fold up the end, up and down. I'm gonna put it on the table so I have, so it's more stable. I'm gonna use my thumbs to hold those two flaps down while I pull up with my other fingers, pull up the ends, fold it over and down, just like that. Now it should just kind of stay on its own. It doesn't need glue, in my opinion. It'll just stay down. But if it's kind of bugging you that it's flapping up a little bit, you can apply a little glue there. So again, here are the flaps. You're going to fold that up and bend it down and inside. Those will have been pre-folded, so you don't need to create the fold. They should be pre-folded. Okay, so once you have your base, your box part ready to go, and you have your tube part, they just slide in together like that. Yeah, they'll slide in together like that, forming the matchbox, just like that. Now it's ready to decorate. You can use or create your car. You can use these discarded pieces to create all kinds of interesting shapes to glue or tape or add to your car. You're making a lowrider car. You should have received some foam discs in your kit as well, and those are your tires. 4 of them can be used as the tires, or all of them can be used as the tires. You will have gotten 8. And yeah, so be creative. Use markers, paint, crayons, pens, pencils, whatever you want to do to create an interesting car. You can even put something inside. Maybe you make an engine in here, or maybe you make seats, you know, whatever you want to do to make it look like your car has something inside it, you know, if you want it to have the engine and whatnot. It's up to you. All right, have fun.